After blue, white, you take green. After green, you take brown, white. After brown, white, you take brown. Then you align it with your finger so that everything will be aligned. It will not be on top each other. So just take it straight. Then after you align it, see, count it back. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. So after that, cut off this one. So now we put our RJ45 clip. This is how I say we should put it, not like this. Put it like this. Clip it. Just put it inside. To enter inside by itself. It will align by itself. If your this thing is straight. And your cutting, let it be straight. Don't let it be like this. Don't cut it like this or cut it like this. Now everything will be straight so that everything will be safe. If you look at this man, this edge, you can see the copper of the cable. If anyone is not aligned with each other, that means you will not be able to see it. So after that, you bring this man, then bring this. Simple as it is. So everything is set. So let's test this our cable now. If it's okay or not. It's our lamp tester. So this lamp tester now, it comes with battery. I have to remove the battery so that the battery will not weak. So there is different type of lamp tester. There are small one, and this is the most. This is one of the best one. So I bought it 35,000 or so. There's 30,000, 35,000. I can't remember. So this is one of the best lamp tester. So keep it. So we have something. Okay, let me plug this thing. So plug this one leg here and another leg here at the bottom. So we want to test it now. So if you want to test it, you have two types of testing. Let me show you the first type. This is the first type. Maybe let's say you've connected this one to your camera now. No, you want to test this cable. One leg from the camera and the other leg to the IT switch. So you want to test which cable supply that camera A. So you plug this one to the camera side. Then you press scan. You know we have a lot of cables. Okay. So you don't know which one. You don't want to put it one by one. You just want to scan it. So you press scan. So once you click on scan, you see this red light. You press on this one. So behind that sound, let me decrease the sound. Okay, it's increased. So you press it down. So you're reading it one by one. Nice. This is louder. So if you put on the way, if you have different type of, you are putting it until you get the last one. See the signal. You bring on more sound than you step out. So the second testing is to put this one. You want to count if this cable is correct. You know we put in 8 cables. You want to test if all the 8 are okay. You understand? Yeah. So we put this one in. Oh, I got it. So we're putting it in like this. Then you clip counts. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything is complete. Check the other side too, if it's complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At times, this one will be complete, this one will not be complete. So if this one is not complete, that means the error confirmation. You have to change your connection. To understand. It's perfect. So that means our cable is 100% okay. Kajiko? No. So we now remove it. So if you want to now connect it with your camera, once you open your camera, there's a device, there is something that comes with your camera. It comes with this screw, and it comes with this jack. This one is a waterproof jack. Because of water, that's why they put it. I will show you how we connect it. Because most of people that install camera, they don't make use of this one, but they don't know how to connect it. You just plug it anyhow from all this one. And this is very important. So if you want to plug this, connect this, you open this man, you open it, and like say you want to connect this one with this one. You know, for example, if you plug it like this, it will still work. Yeah. It's not that it won't work, but it won't look much nicer. It might even come off at times. This one is not strong, but this one should still work perfectly. So you have to take this one like this. This is the head. You put it inside. After you put it inside, you put this one here. After you put this one here, you put this man. This man you can open it. Open it and put it here. And put it inside. You understand? Then this man. Sorry, before you put this one now, you need to. This man needs to be here. You put this man here. Then you put it here. Then you put this one inside. Inside here. So you put this one here. Then before you tight it, plug your this thing first. Plug it. Then you connect this one. You understand? Once you connect it, or once you connect it like this, do not put this man inside and you tight this one. Tight this one. Or let's put this one here, not here. Use it back. Sorry. See this one last time. So you want to bring this rubber on this side to the other side. Put it here. So let's plug this one back. Plug this one back. Put this one inside. So you tighten it. So water can never penetrate. See, everything is covered. So even put it, it will not come up. It will not remove. So this is the perfect termination. So that's for that. Then this other leg now. I told you about this IP camera. So this camera now cannot work with them. You need what we call NVR. We have NVR, we have two types. We have NVR, we have DVR. NVR is what we use for any IP camera. Anything IP, the one we are using now is anything IP cameras. We use NVR. Anything analog camera, we use DVR. But as far as concerned, our company will work based on NVR. So there's a NVR that comes with PoE switch at the back. So once you plug up, you connect our camera, that NVR, the one that comes with PoE, just plug it at the back. There's this thing, RJ45 port at the back. Just plug the camera there. Then you on your NVR, the camera will come on. So there are still some configuration that I will still teach you later. But firstly, this is what you need to know first and foremost. You understand? So let's try our, maybe what I've actually explained so far. Maybe you understand. Who wants to try first? Because you do first. So this is my own. While we wait, hold on. I will give you flow. So